Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your jersey or your in-match attire on the eFootball game. So let's get started right away. Now, first of all, open up the eFootball game on your device, and after you have completed the basic tutorial and chosen your team, you will gain access to the main menu. Now, from the main menu, you can go ahead and choose any kind of match that you want to play from the match menu. Now, before your match begins, you will be able to make any necessary changes to your team. From this screen, tap on the gear icon at the bottom left corner and you will see the hanger icon, which is the settings for your jersey. Just tap on this and you will be able to choose from your home and away jersey. Just tap on whichever you wish to use and you can tap on the back button, and now this jersey that you just selected will be used for your team. You can now tap on the next button to proceed with enjoying your game with the setting that you just selected. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your jersey on the eFootball game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.